Okay. Hi, students. T2 or solving equation. The key words here are solution, x-intercept, roots, something like that. Okay. It means solution or the solution of the problem. So you're looking for the equation. So let's solve the problems that are you might see in the test. Okay. So let's solve question number 40 of 2017. Here you go. It says here, which value of x makes the equation 0.75 times x plus 20 equals 2 plus 0.5 times x minus 2 true. So I'm going to show you two ways. The first one is the squiggly line. I'm going to type the equation 0.75 parenthesis x plus 20 close parenthesis equals 2 plus 0.5 uh, x minus 2. I intentionally write the equation. If you notice, it's exclamation here. It means you won't see anything. Even the topic is use the squiggly line. If I use a squiggly line, I don't see any answer. So to solve this equation, to solve this problem, is you change this letter to a capital letter. Now it gives you the value. The answer is x equals negative 56. Now, the other way to do this is to verify. So I'm going to type this, okay, 0.75. This time I'm going to use small letter x plus 20. And then the other equation is this on here, 2 plus 0.5 small letter x minus 2. And it gives me two lines. So if you notice, our answer in the first one is negative 56. Here, the answer here, remember the order pair? The first letter is x, or first number is x, the second number is y. So my answer is negative 56. That will be your final answer.